Hey guys, Kellen Fleener here, National Sales Director at Dreamedia Home Theater. Taking a break demoing the RS2100. It's the new entry-level laser projector from JVC. I wanted to let our subscribers know that we do have these in stock and on hand. So we have the new JVC laser 2100s and 3100s in stock. We have a couple of the Epson 5050s and 4050s as well. And we also have some great ultra short throw options if you guys are not set up for a traditional projector but still want to get that big screen experience. We have Samsung ultra short throws and LGs as well. So if you all want to get the big picture before the big game next Sunday on the Super Bowl, feel free to reach out at dreammediaav.com and we would love the opportunity to help you soon. That's all I got. I got to get back to some work. So I'll see you guys next time.